True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. So today I am in the Mountainside area at the Mountainside Basic School. So thank you all for watching the channel True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. You don't know, say a day after the storm, I giving a tour and showing how some areas affected by the storm. Trust me, the hurricane, sorry about that. But I tell my people, not a good look. Lot of trees and house top blow off in the area. Yeah man, so you don't know, you can indicate how you watch it from. If you're from this area, you can leave in the comment section. You know what go on. So this side will take you all to the Brooklyn area. We are supposed to know Brooklyn out of Mountainside to the Mountainside Methodist Church and thing. Lot of down power lines. Wow. Behave yourself, you know, man. You're good? You're good?
Yeah.
Man, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, so the place kind of overcast, you know, so not getting a good video quality, but at least see what go on a bit. Can't avoid that. So hope you understand. Don't worry about the video quality, but just see what go on at the place. So I think we are now in the Brooklyn area. A lot of shop top blow off and thing, you know. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid, your #1 tour guide.